Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I'm gonna give y'all an update on what we got going on today. Working on the trailer. The trailer's still not working properly, so we gotta go on the top of it. The top opens. It's air that feeds it. It opens up like this. The cement spout comes in. Dump the cement in there, and then when you finish, cement spout comes out, and then you hit the button at the bottom, and that top's supposed to swivel and lock into place. So we're having an issue with it right now because it's just blowing cement out while it's closed. So we're thinking the seal is bad. So I'm here at the shop with the mechanic, Mr. Chris. Take that top off and clean it up, and do some minor things too that we need to do. So that's what we got going on today, and I'm gonna install that piece I told y'all I got. So come on with it. This is what we're doing right now. Hey y'all, does this not look like the Star Wars battleship? Look at it! Look like the Star Wars battleship, man. Breaking up all that cement. So Mr. Chris is putting some lube all on the side of this gasket here, and then he's knocking it in. Just like that. So we're gonna get this new seal in, y'all. I like watching mechanics work, man. They make it look easy, but it's not. Sorry, y'all. Mr. Chris is a very private person, so I'm not showing his face in this. I respect my OG. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, there she go. Now, we gotta go back up top. I ain't gonna be able to film that part, safety reasons, but when I get done, I'm gonna show y'all. All right, Rick. All right, y'all. If you guessed it right on what I got inside of here, for my shifter, I'm gonna extend it. I got a 12-inch extension. Here we go, 12-inch extension. And I'm going to attempt to install it. I've got all the pieces right here that I need. Got the hose, and I've got the couplings for the airline and the extension itself. some electrical tape. But she's finished. Just gonna wrap some electrical tape around the base of it. all the way up to the top. Keep it clean. Let it clean and look, you know. And then that's it. That's it. Should be finished. There we go. This thing is gonna be sick. Wow. What y'all think, man? She looks good, right? Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. All right, guys, there she go. Man, this feels good. It's so much more comfortable. Steering wheel right here and right here. Oh, yeah, I'm a bit used to that. And I love the profile from the side. When you look at it from the side, looks good, right? Looks good, right? That boy ready to go, baby. That boy ready to go. All right, y'all. We just got done with the truck, and everything is working good. So, huge success. We had to fight tooth and nail. It's now 3 o'clock. We've been at it all morning, man. But Mr. Chris did his thing, man. We got the air leak that was in the back fixed. We got the top latch. Just climb up these stairs so you can see. We've got the top latch right here. We got a new seal in there that I showed y'all earlier. So now that's fixed and it's working. So now, only thing left for me to do is call Boss Man and let Boss Man know I'm ready to roll. So I'm excited. So thank y'all for tuning into this video, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all on the next one. So see y'all soon. Thanks for watching.